So hey everybody, this is me Raman Karthik. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please go and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on that bell icon to get more updates. So IMBD ratings for Indian web series on Amazon Prime, Disney Plus Hotstar, and Sony Live Z5 MX1 MX Player are one of the best ways of determining a show's potential. Here we made a list of highest rated Indian web series on these platforms. So let's go and find it out the list. And before going into this video, if you are new to this channel, please go and subscribe and comment me down below which was your favorite web series. So the first which we are going to see, which was rated highest in the uh, IMBD, was Scam 1992, the Harshad Mehta story, which was released in Sony Live. If you bought a Sony Live premium subscription for just for Scam 1992, we are certain it was worth it. After all, along with being the highest rated Indian web series, it also left behind the likes of Breaking Bad and Chernobyl to take a top spot globally, starring Pratik Gandhi, Satish Kaushik, and Shreya Dhanvantari. And the series is a biographical journey that has lots of controversial life of infamous stockbroker Harshad Mehta. So the series are made very exceptionally very good. So if you haven't seen it, please go and watch. It's really worth of watching. And the second highest rated web series is Panchayat, which was released in Amazon Prime Video. One of the early releases of 2020 on Amazon Prime Video, Panchayat is an excellent family drama starring Jitendra Kumar, Neena Gupta, and Raghuveer Yadav, an aspiring engineering engineer who dreams to work with an MNC, ends up in a remote UP village, working as a panchayat secretary to the village Pradhan. How he goes from hating his new life to making new friends and finally liking it there. We use the rest of the story. And let's go to third, Special Ops. The This thriller on Disney Plus Hotstar draws inspiration from bundle of covert operation from the Indian intelligence agency, with the motive of combating terrorism. The operations highlighted in the series span over the past 2 decades, narrated from the POV of Himmat Singh, a raw agent. Series kept viewers on the edge of their seats with suspense and thrill it backs, where we can say KK Menon and Divya Datta in the show, and more actors in it. More to support the series, it is one of the two shows under Hotstar special banner that must watch. So, with this, let's go to the fourth. And before going to the fourth, if you're new, please subscribe. And whichever web series you like the most, comment me down below. So, let's go to the fourth. That is Bandish Bandits, the only musical on this list, and by far the best on OTT platforms. Bandits was widely loved by audience across the country. The show takes you through the journey of the lead characters who come from different musical backgrounds and how their life intertwine as the season progresses. The show features an excellent star cast, brilliantly enhancing the gripping storyline of the engaging Amazon Prime Video offering. So, with this, let's go to the fifth, that is Mirzapur 2, which was also released in Amazon Prime Video. Living up to the hype, Amazon Prime Video's Mirzapur was a phenomenal success when it released on platform in late October, with most viewers completing the seasons overnight or weekend. The show had an blockbuster opening week, along with Pankaj Tripathi's and Ali Fazal's justifying roles, and Shweta character also came to the fore in this season, perfectly set up for season 3. Anticipation is already at quite high. And the sixth one is Asur, Welcome to Your Dark Side, which was released in Woot Select. For Woot Select, 2020 proved to be successful year. Arshad Varsi, who plays a forensic expert, took the lead in this crime thriller. The story revolves around his and his mentor's conflicting beliefs, while one of them places faith in forensic science, the other draws inspiration from Indian mythology. At the center of the story, however, is a psychotic serial killer, who creates trouble for both of them. And the seventh one is Patal Lok, which was also released in Amazon Prime. Anushka Sharma's Patal Lok, hands down, one of the best releases on OTT platforms in 2020. The crime thriller drew attention to bigger problems with this extremely well crafted storyline, along with excellent scripting. It also laid the platform for an excellent performance by Jaideep Allahabad and Abhishek Banerjee. On the exterior, it looks at a targeted crime, but it has a number of hidden meanings and ulterior motives. So let's go to the eighth in my list. The only offering from MX Player, which is which was released in its OTT platform for Indian content, is High, which charts the story of a drug named Magic and has many different characters associated with the series as it progresses. It looks at how the drug influences the lives of doctors, reports, goons, and the owners of the pharmaceutical companies which manufactures the drug. So let's go to the ninth in my list. Abhay 2. After the success of Abhay's first season, people had higher expectation from the second season, and didn't disappoint them. The gritty crime thriller stars Kunal Kemu in the lead role of a brooding young officer solving complex cases and battling inner demons. Directed by Ken Ghosh, Abhay 2 also features many other actors like Asha Negi and Nidhi Singh. So you can watch this in Z5. So let's go to the 10th. Shishmita Sen's OTT debut was every bit a perfect project for the former Miss Universe, who made a comeback after a long time, delivering a powerful performance. Sen caught everyone by surprise. Inspired by the Dutch series Penosa, it was also the most tweeted web series of the year. Sen plays Arya, whose doting mother, but is forced to become a gangster and run her rather dismantled family business, keeping Sen in good company. Ankur Bhatia and Namit Das and Sikandar Khair played strong supporting roles too. So, with this, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get more updates. So, whichever web series you liked, please do comment me down below. Thank you so much.